Kumusta?
Pagod na.
Pagod na. Grabe. Sobrang worth it. Welcome to Australia. Kanina galing na kami dun sa kabilang side. Pagod na agad. So, it's 11:35 na ng tanghali. May malayo-layo pa ang ating tatahakin sa araw na ito. Ayan si Ren. Kumusta?
Pagod na.
Pagod na.
Yeah.
Pagod na. Hindi pa natin nakikita yung falls.
It's a falls.
It's a falls. False alarm pala. Pero kanina guys, may nakita kaming kangaroo. Ang cute. Wait lang. Pahinga muna kasi kakababa lang namin. Galing kami dun sa kabilang side. It's good. There's one shop here to buy some food, some snacks.
Yeah.
I'm checking up the tree to see a koala. Oh!
Yeah, there's one little one
Oh,
here.
there's one little koala there.
Yeah.
Look what I saw.
What? What do you see? A koala over there?
Koala.
Ah.
What?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, my food is here. I'm so hungry.
Been sleeping, man.
Oh yeah.
You wanna eat over here?
Yeah. Wait 1 second. I'll show you guys. I think they're one of the luckiest creatures. They just sleep all day. Have nothing to do. No problem. Just eat, sleep, repeat. Eat, sleep, repeat. Ang ganda ng tubig, ang linaw. Ang ganda. What a beautiful creation. Punta kami sa cave, guys. Meron ditong cave. Let's go. So, itong tinatahak namin na daan ito ay pang ano lang to, grade 1. Easy walk. Yung kanina na nauna na namin pinuntahan, moderate yun. So, mamaya kami try namin yung hard walk. Pero, pag-isipan pa namin kasi hindi kami talaga prepared. Where is Ren? Wala siya dumaan. Kung matagal na kayo nanonood dito sa channel ko, alam nyo na that Ren and I, we both love nature walk. Sa totoo lang, mas gusto namin yung ganitong activity kaysa kumain sa labas or mag-malling, mag-shopping. Mas na-enjoy namin yung ganitong moment. Tingin-tingin ka sa taas kasi baka may makita ka na koala. Kasi may mga wild koala dito, guys. So, we are here sa Giant Cave. The Giant Cave daw still open, pero yung Plateau hike is closed due to public safety. Okay. Let's go then. Kanina, ang lamig. Ngayon mainit na kasi may mahigit 1 oras na rin kaming naglalakad. So this is the giant cave, guys. Kasi hindi natin masyadong ma-enjoy at masolo kasi ang daming tao. So, ito na lang. Giant nga siya. Kala ko may lusutan, wala pala. Guys, nakikita ko na yung falls. Ayun ang falls. Wow. Beautiful. So, pag pupunta kayo dito sa South Australia, Adelaide City, huwag niyong kalimutan na bisitahin din ang place na to. Marialta Conservation Park. Grabe, sobrang worth it. Sabi ni Ren, guys, malamig daw ang tubig. Tingnan natin kung malamig na. Grabe, ang linaw, oh. Uy, ang lamig nga. Lamig. Lamig na ng tubig, oh. First time namin ni Ren mag-walk na ganito kahaba. At ganito kalayo, loop siya. Ang dami, pag tinignan nyo yung map, dun sa way na yon, nandun yung first falls. At ayun, may mga bata rin. Kaya ng mga bata magpunta doon. Pero sa ibang way na, mahirap na siya. Kahit kanina nga ako nahirapan ako eh. Lesson learned kapag mag-hike kayo or bushwalking, dapat prepared talaga kayo. Yung backpack nyo, dapat ready ng mga essentials na kakailanganin sa pag-hike or bushwalking. Kahit ano lang yan, kahit short distance lang yan. Like, ngayon, dito sa Australia, summer na, mainit, tapos ang dami mga insects. So, dapat meron tayong insect repellent. Meron kayong moisturizer, may lotion. You should have enough water, food na baon para kung magutom man kayo. Kasi di natin alam, no? Emergency kit, first aid kit, dapat meron tayo. And make sure na kapag pupunta kayo sa ganitong lugar, meron kayong trusted person na alam kung nasaan kayo and yung ina-expect na arrival nyo sa bahay. Diba? Kasi who knows? Hindi natin alam. Although eto namang mga places dito sa Australia, sobrang safe siya talaga. Kaya sarap mag-walk dito. Ito yung isa sa paborito naming outdoor activity na rin. Instead na mag-shopping or mag-malling kami or mamasyal sa city, mas gusto namin yung ganitong nature trip, nature walk ba. Nakaka-enjoy talaga siya, and I'm telling you guys, sobrang worth it kapag you spend your time with nature. And of course, with someone you love. Andun si Ren. Ina-enjoy yung kanyang bagong gimbal, kasi bumili siya ng gimbal Insta360 Flow. Gusto na rin daw niyang mag-vlog, pero gusto niyang kunan yung mga nature ba, yan, yung mga water. Tsaka gusto niya yung mga natural sound.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay.
Delikado.
Move on each and every day. The past
Look
is
at
where
that,
it
Rocky.
stays. Way back
Rocky
a year
steps.
ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine.
Okay.
I strive just to say I'm alright, and for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago, but all will be okay. I move on each and every.
To go home.
It's 3:45 in the afternoon na, and I think it's time to go home na.
Balik na lang tayo.
Oo. Babalik na lang kami some other time. At doon naman kami sa kabilang side mag-explore. Pero next time we will make sure na we are more prepared. More water and essentials to bring, you know. Bibili na rin kami ng anong tag doon? Yung parang tungkod.
Pero
Yeah.
madami namang hindi nagtutungkod.
Oo, hindi kasi yung pinuntahan natin kanina medyo steep and rocky